Welcome to Rid and Drive Motors, your #1 destination for the world's most exclusive cars and the powerful personalities behind the wheel. Today, we take you into the world of royalty, power, and luxury. Like never before, Mohammed Bin Salman's personal beast. 1. A prince with a taste for power and prestige. Behind every powerful leader, there's always a car that defines more than just status. It speaks of their personality, their taste, and their power. Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, often known by his initials, MBS, is not just the de facto ruler of Saudi Arabia. He's also a man with a sharp eye for innovation, performance, and yes, serious automotive style. His vehicle isn't just about luxury. It's about image, security, power, and national pride. So, what does the most influential man in the Arab world drive when he's not on official business? 2. Meet the beast, Mercedes-Benz S600 Guard. Let's start with the legendary Mercedes-Benz S600 Guard. This isn't your regular S-Class. This is a fortress on wheels. A bulletproof, bomb-resistant executive sedan made for heads of state. It features VR10 ballistic protection, the highest for any civilian car, reinforced body panels and polycarbonate layered glass, run flat tires, automatic fire suppression system, twin turbocharged V12 engine producing around 530 horsepower, luxurious interior with custom leather, rear entertainment, and more. Mohammed bin Salman is often seen stepping out of this beast during major summits and high-profile diplomatic visits. From Paris to Washington, the S600 Guard follows. 3. The royal taste, Rolls-Royce Phantom 8. But when it comes to personal taste, elegance, and absolute comfort, few cars in the world represent royalty better than the Rolls-Royce Phantom 8. And for Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, it's much more than just a mode of transport. This car is not bought, it's commissioned. Built by hand, piece by piece, the Phantom is a symbol of craftsmanship that reflects its owner's vision. In the case of Mohammed bin Salman, his Phantom isn't just luxurious, it's personalized to perfection. Custom Saudi green and gold accents, a nod to the national flag and Saudi pride. The car's exterior trim and interior stitching include elegant hints of green and subtle gold, combining heritage with royalty. Monogrammed headrests. The seats are embroidered with MBS's personal insignia, bringing royal identity into every drive. Starlight headliner. The famous Rolls-Royce night sky ceiling is configured to replicate the stars over Riyadh on the Night Vision 2030 was announced, a symbolic private universe for a visionary leader. Hidden compartments. Special secure storage options are installed, perfect for confidential documents or private items during high-profile travels. Rear seat like a jet cabin. The back seats feature extendable leg rests, reclining features, a champagne cooler, and even custom tablet displays, turning the cabin into a mobile office or lounge. Every single element inside this car is customized for the Crown Prince's taste, from the fragrance dispensers to the temperature-zoned leather upholstery. The Phantom isn't just a car, says one Rolls-Royce engineer who worked on custom royal builds. It's a rolling palace, designed to move like a whisper and feel like a throne. When MBS hosts informal gatherings with global leaders, business tycoons, or close associates, this is often the car that pulls up quietly, never flashy, but always elite. It sends a clear message: royalty moves with grace, not noise. This Phantom isn't just part of a royal garage, it is a reflection of the man himself. Powerful yet discreet, traditional yet visionary. 4. The hypercar power, Bugatti Chiron. Now let's switch gears, quite literally, to performance. It's no secret that Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman has a love for engineering excellence. And what better to represent that than the Bugatti Chiron? Powered by a W16 quad-turbocharged engine delivering 1500 horsepower, the Chiron goes from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 2.5 seconds. Top speed? Electronically limited to 420 km per hour. MBS reportedly owns one of the rarest editions, the Chiron Sport, or perhaps a custom edition delivered directly to the kingdom. 5. Vision and electric future, Lucid Air and Tesla Model X. Being the visionary behind Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030, MBS is also committed to the future of mobility, clean, electric, and sustainable. Enter the Lucid Air, a fully electric luxury sedan produced by Lucid Motors, a company in which the Saudi Public Investment Fund, PIF, has a major stake. MBS is not only a promoter but also a user of this futuristic sedan. With over 1,000 horsepower, the Lucid Air Dream Edition represents the shift from oil-powered engines to electric excellence. He has also reportedly tested and used the Tesla Model X, especially during visits to Silicon Valley, showcasing his alignment with tech-forward thinking.
6. Royal Garage. But that's not all.
Sources and luxury car spotters in the kingdom have linked Crown Prince Mohammed Bin Salman with several other high-end cars, such as Lamborghini Aventador SVJ, known for its extreme design and raw power; Bentley Mulsanne, understated British luxury at its finest; Land Rover Range Rover Sentinel, armored SUV used for rough terrains; Toyota Land Cruiser VXR. Yes, even the most elite in the Gulf know the Land Cruiser is king of the desert. Maybach GLS 600, combining the commanding view of an SUV with the elegance of a limousine. 7. Security and customization, the royal treatment. Each of these cars is more than just a showroom model. Every vehicle that carries the Crown Prince is equipped with advanced bulletproofing, military-grade communication systems, hidden exit mechanisms, private tech setups, personal branding touches like royal seals or emblems. It's not just about looking good, it's about being untouchable. 8. Cars as political tools, symbol of influence. Whether arriving at the G20, meeting US presidents, or hosting tech billionaires like Elon Musk, the choice of car sends a clear message. An armored Mercedes says diplomacy. A Bugatti Chiron says power. A Lucid Air says future. For MBS, cars aren't just vehicles. They are statements of ambition. 9. Custom-made for royalty, what's next? When it comes to royal luxury, Crown Prince Mohammed Bin Salman doesn't just follow trends, he sets them. And if rumors are true, the next chapter in his ultra-exclusive car collection is already underway, and it's more majestic than ever. Rolls-Royce Cullinan, Royal Edition, rumored. Sources close to bespoke automotive design circles suggest that a one-of-a-kind Rolls-Royce Cullinan is being commissioned, one that pushes the limits of luxury and customization. Gold-plated exterior accents, including door handles, grille lines, and Spirit of Ecstasy finished in pure 24K gold. Rear-facing throne-style seats, inspired by the design of Saudi Majlis, regal, spacious, and symbolic. Embedded smart features, including secure biometric access, retractable meeting table, and real-time encrypted comm systems. Interior color scheme, a combination of deep desert beige and emerald green, reflecting Saudi elegance and heritage. This Cullinan isn't just a statement of wealth, it's a mobile command center, a private retreat, and a display of what royal design truly looks like in the 21st century. Automobile limited edition supercars, confidential acquisitions. But it doesn't stop at Rolls-Royce. Inside circles in Europe's luxury car industry have whispered about MBS securing rare, limited production hypercars through private auctions and discreet manufacturer deals. Spotted or rumored in his private collection. Aston Martin Valkyrie AMR Pro, one of the most advanced track cars ever made, blending Formula One tech with future-forward design. Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute, capable of hitting speeds well over 480 km per hour. A car that doesn't just chase records, it breaks them. Mercedes Maybach Haute Voiture Concept, a concept-level design believed to have been offered to a select few elite customers, including royals. 10. Final thoughts, the man behind the wheel. Mohammed Bin Salman is not just a leader. He is a trendsetter, a reformer, and a man of modern taste. His personal car collection reflects everything he stands for: strength, vision, innovation, and identity. This was Rid and Drive Motors, bringing you inside the world of the most powerful man in the Middle East, and the luxury machines that move him. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, keep riding and keep dreaming.